Hi, I'm Jurgen Gonzalez and I'm the Vice President of Alliance in Motion Global. Alliance in Motion Global is a multi-level marketing company that distributes health and wellness products all over the world. We have branches in Africa, particularly in Nigeria. Our branches in Nigeria include Lagos, Port Harcourt, Abuja, Kano, and Onitsha. And soon, we're very happy to tell you that we're going to open another 2 branches in Nigeria. We also have branches in Uganda, Kenya, Cameroon, Ivory Coast, and Togo. Here in Asia, we have branches in Singapore and Brunei, and we also have branches in the Middle East, including Pakistan and the United Arab Emirates. The good news is, we just opened our branch in Papua New Guinea, and we're very excited to tell you that our distributors there are going crazy because of our marketing plan and because of our world-class products. Alliance in Motion Global has been operating steadily for the last 11 years, and over that 11-year period, we were able to create more than 5,000 multi-millionaires. And you know guys, we are able to grow for the last 11 years because of our product providers. Our product providers include AMS Life Asia, which is based in Japan. Not only that, we are in partners also with Natural Life Asia, which has a big office in South Korea. We are also in partner with DSM, a multi-billion euro company which has offices in Netherlands, Germany, and Switzerland. Not only that, we are also in partner with Weider Global Nutrition, which has an office in Los Angeles, California. And of course, we have a giant partner, which is Nature's Way, which has an office in Wisconsin and has about 50 years of herbal manufacturing experience. And now, I'm sure you're excited to become a part of this growing global company. So how do you become a part of this? First, you buy our global package. Global package gives you the benefit of 25% to 50% lifetime discount. Not only that, you get the full value of your money because you will get products which is more than your investment. You gain access to our free online trainings known as AIM Academy Training, aside from the trainings that we will be providing you to our businesses, to our offices all over the world. So how do you get started? Well, it's very simple and it's very easy. All you need to do is invite your friends, your relatives, and as soon as you sponsor someone who joins you and buys the global package like you did, you earn $20. And as soon as you invite more people, as soon as you invite and sponsor them to join you, you earn more $20 and it's unlimited. And this is the most exciting part. This is where the big money comes in. All we need to do is to build an organization of people by using the power of leverage. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you might be asking, what is leverage? Law of leverage is the ability of multiplying yourself to a lot of people, multiplying your time to a lot of people. And this happens to be the secret of the most successful people in the world financially. And here's what you're going to do. All you need to do is to develop 2 sales forces, one on your left and one on your right. As soon as you sponsor someone who buys the global package on your left side and another one who buys the global package on your right side, you get a pairing bonus equivalent to $40. Very simple and very easy. And as soon as you develop these 2 people to also become leaders and duplicate what you did, you will be earning unlimited and continuous batch of sales until infinity. Here's another amazing part. As soon as you grow your group and as long as your team is buying the products down the line, you are earning overriding commission and uni-level commission. Just imagine, some of our top earners are earning at least $1,000 per day. Some of them are earning $2,000 per day. Some are $500 per day. And can you imagine, this is just part of the big bonus. Amazing, isn't it? So think about this. You've just seen one of the best opportunities in the whole world right before your eyes. This opportunity has changed thousands of people's lives. People who come from all walks of life. People who were formerly working abroad and are now enjoying their times with their families. People who were formerly working from 8 to 5 and they felt nothing's happening to them, they are now having the life they want. People who have no educational background, who did not even finish college, who are now living the lives of their dreams. And these same people will be there to help you, guide you, mentor you, and also teach you how they made it in this business. So now, all you have to do is to just sign up, join us as we welcome you to the wonderful world of Alliance in Motion Global.